Want to start your day with unstoppable energy and a healthier body? Your breakfast could be the key. Over 60% of Americans skip or skimp on a nutritious morning meal, missing out on life-changing benefits. Stay tuned for 5 delicious, science-backed breakfast recipes that'll transform your mornings and your health. Hello, everyone. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, yet 31 million of us skip it daily, per a 2024 USDA report. A healthy breakfast fuels energy, supports heart health, and aids weight management, but it has to taste good and fit your busy lifestyle. Today, we're sharing 5 research-backed breakfast recipes packed with nutrients to keep you thriving. From heart-healthy oats to protein-packed eggs, these recipes are tailored for American tastes and backed by science. With obesity affecting 42% of U.S. adults and costing $150 billion annually, per the CDC, starting your day right is a game-changer. Whether you're a parent, professional, or student, these quick meals will fit your life. Let's dive in and make breakfast your superpower. Let's start with a berry oatmeal power bowl, a heart-healthy, fiber-packed breakfast that's quick and delicious. A 2023 Journal of Nutrition study found that oats reduce LDL cholesterol by 7%, lowering heart disease risk, critical for the 48% of Americans with cardiovascular risk, per the CDC. Berries add antioxidants, reducing inflammation by 10%, per a 2024 nutrient study. Ingredients: serves 1. Half a cup rolled oats, 50 cents, available at Walmart. 1 cup almond milk, 30 cents, unsweetened. 1 cup mixed berries, fresh or frozen, $3 per pound. 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 20 cents, high in omega-3s. 1 teaspoon honey, 10 cents, optional. Instructions: cook oats with almond milk over medium heat for 5 minutes, stirring until creamy. Top with berries, chia seeds, and a drizzle of honey. Serve warm or prep overnight for a grab-and-go option. Nutrition: approximate 300 calories, 8g fiber, 10g protein, 7g fat. Why it works: fiber stabilizes blood sugar, reducing hunger, per a 2021 American Journal of Clinical Nutrition study. Antioxidants: berries fight oxidative stress, linked to better weight management, per a 2023 obesity study. Omega-3s: chia seeds support heart health, per a 2024 circulation study. Practical tip: prep multiple servings in mason jars for busy mornings. Oats cost $2 per pound, making this a budget-friendly staple at $1 per meal. Next up, a spinach and egg veggie scramble, a protein-packed breakfast to boost metabolism. A 2023 Journal of the American College of Nutrition study found that high-protein breakfasts increase satiety by 20%, aiding weight loss. Eggs, rich in choline, support brain health, per a 2021 nutrient study. Ingredients: serves 1. 2 large eggs, 50 cents, available at Kroger. 1 cup fresh spinach, 30 cents. A quarter cup diced tomatoes, 20 cents. 1 tablespoon olive oil, 10 cents. 1 slice whole grain toast, 20 cents. Instructions: heat olive oil in a skillet over medium heat. Add spinach and tomatoes. Sauté for 2 minutes. Whisk eggs and pour into skillet. Scramble for 3 to 4 minutes. Serve with whole grain toast. Nutrition: approximate 350 calories, 18g protein, 4g fiber, 20g fat. Why it works: protein. Eggs curb hunger, reducing daily calorie intake by 400, per a 2024 obesity study. Vitamins: spinach provides vitamin K and folate, supporting heart health, per a 2023 Journal of Nutrition study. Whole grains: toast stabilizes blood sugar, per a 2021 American Journal of Clinical Nutrition study. Practical tip: buy eggs in bulk, $3 per dozen, and pre-chop veggies for a 10-minute meal, perfect for American mornings. Our third recipe is a Greek yogurt berry parfait, a gut-friendly, protein-rich breakfast. A 2023 gut study found that probiotics in yogurt improve gut health, linked to better immunity in 70% of Americans, per the CDC. Berries and nuts add antioxidants and healthy fats. Ingredients: serves 1. 3/4 cup plain Greek yogurt, 75 cents, unsweetened, at Target. Half a cup mixed berries, $1.50. A 1/4 cup low-sugar granola, 50 cents. 1 tablespoon walnuts, 20 cents. Instructions. In a glass or bowl, layer half the yogurt, berries, granola, and walnuts. Repeat layers and serve immediately or chill for later. Nutrition approximate 280 calories, 15g protein, 5g fiber, 10g fat. Why it works. Probiotics. Support digestion, reducing inflammation, per a 2024 Journal of Investigative Dermatology study. Protein promotes fullness, aiding weight control, per a 2021 Nutrition Review study. Antioxidants. Berries reduce oxidative stress, per a 2023 Nutrients study. Practical tip. Use single-serve yogurt containers, $1 each, for convenience. Prep parfaits in advance for a quick, trendy U.S. breakfast. Recipe 4 is avocado toast with smoked salmon, a nutrient-dense, heart-healthy option. A 2024 circulation study found that omega-3s in salmon lower heart disease risk by 10%. Avocados provide healthy fats, reducing cholesterol, per a 2023 Journal of Nutrition study. Ingredients serves 1 slice whole grain bread, 20 cents. 1/2 avocado, 75 cents. 2 ounces smoked salmon, $2 at Costco. 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 5 cents. Pinch of black pepper. Instructions. Toast bread until golden. Mash avocado with lemon juice and spread on toast. Top with salmon and pepper. Nutrition, approximate 350 calories, 15g protein, 7g fiber, 20g fat. Why it works. Omega-3s. Reduce inflammation, per a 2024 Nutrients study. Healthy fats. Avocados lower LDL cholesterol, per a 2021 American Heart Journal study. Fiber. Whole grain bread stabilizes blood sugar, per a 2023 obesity study. Practical tip. Buy avocados in bulk, $5 for 4 at Aldi, and pre-portioned salmon for a 5-minute meal, popular in U.S. cafes. Our final recipe is a green smoothie with spinach and banana, perfect for busy mornings. A 2023 Journal of Nutrition study found that leafy greens improve energy and reduce heart disease risk by 12%. Bananas add potassium, supporting blood pressure, per a 2024 hypertension study. Ingredients serves 1 cup spinach, 30 cents. 1 banana, 20 cents. 1 cup almond milk, 30 cents. 1 tablespoon peanut butter, 15 cents. Half a cup ice. Instructions. Blend all ingredients until smooth. Pour into a glass or to-go cup. Nutrition approximate 250 calories, 7g protein, 5g fiber, 10g fat. Why it works. Potassium. Lowers blood pressure, per a 2021 Nutrients study. Antioxidants. Spinach fights oxidative stress, per a 2023 Journal of Clinical Nutrition study. Protein. Peanut butter adds satiety, per a 2024 obesity study. Practical tip. Use a blender like Ninja, $50 at Amazon, for quick prep. Frozen spinach, $2 per bag. Saves time. These 5 breakfasts can transform your health, energy, and waistline. Take our 30-day healthy breakfast challenge. Try 1 recipe daily, swap processed foods for whole ingredients, and track your energy. Share your progress at nutrition.org and inspire others. With 42% of Americans battling obesity, your choices matter. Consult a dietitian for personalized plans via choosemyplate.gov. And let's make mornings healthier across America. Subscribe to our channel for more daily health tips to keep you thriving. That's it for our 5 healthy breakfast recipes to supercharge your day. Subscribe for more daily health tips and comment below. Which recipe are you trying first? Let's keep the conversation going and build a healthier America. See you tomorrow.